Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here with another update on the 2020 hurricane season. It is July 24th, 2020 and it is 7:15 p.m. And I'm making this short video to let you guys know what is going on in the Atlantic and in the Gulf. Right now, Gonzalo, it is struggling bad. It is actually has not been able to reach the hurricane status, and most likely seems like it will not. It is pretty much just falling apart, and it's just having a really hard time surviving different atmospheric conditions that are not favorable for development. You will think that being such a small storm, it would probably survived, but it's not the case. It's actually struggling really bad, and at this point it's not sure if it's gonna be able to hold or actually even reach a hurricane status. If it does, it seems like it's gonna be very brief. The other thing is Tropical Storm Hanna. Tropical Storm Hanna is actually looking much better than Gonzalo, and it's slowly, but it's strengthening slowly, but it is actually strengthening compared to Gonzalo. Right now, the National Hurricane Center, it has it's basically saying that Hanna is going to become a hurricane, because as the European model was suggesting, it is expected to continue strengthening all the way up to until landfall. And that was something that the European model was predicting. So at this point, it seems like that is going to be the case, and that's why it seems like it's going to now. And right now it has a minimum pressure of 999 millibars, so it's not that strong, but it is showing potential that it could definitely become a hurricane. One thing that is going to happen is it's gonna make landfall possible south of Corpus Christi or something like that you pronounce it, so it seems like the very bottom part of Texas will be affected directly by the storm. Now the storm has a pretty good size, so hundreds of miles are definitely gonna get some rain and some localized flooding, but it's nothing gonna be compared to for example, Harvey. But nevertheless, you're still going to have some for sure some impacts from this storm. I apologize, just got a little distracted here since I'm driving, but anyways, that's what is going on. Gonzalo not doing better, not doing good. Potentially it's going to fizzle out by the middle of next week. The National Hurricane Center is saying Hanna is going to become a weak hurricane by landfall, and then the other area that we're watching, that models are already picking it up, especially the European model is showing pretty good chance that this storm is going to ride all the way into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, what I've noticed is that it has been fluctuating a lot as far as the trajectory. Yesterday had it coming through north of Cuba, kind of like a similar track as of Irma, and now it has it at one point, I think it was earlier today, had it actually south of Puerto Rico all the way through the Western Caribbean, and then at one point it has it now cutting through Hispaniola and kind of getting into the Gulf in between Cuba and Florida. So at this point it's a long shot. Keep your eyes out, keep your eyes open for potential development, and other than that, I'll keep you guys posted as always. Take care, have a good day, subscribe to my channel. Any comments, any suggestions, questions, post them on the comment section.